Hi there everyone, I'm Talha, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a Microsoft Word document into Google Doc. Not everyone uses Microsoft Word, and at some point in your life you may need to convert a Word document into Google Doc. So to do that, first you're going to head to docs.google.com, and from the home page you're going to click on the Open File Picker. From there, you're going to click on Upload and then Browse. Over here, I have two test documents that are both Microsoft Word documents. I'm going to use this document and click on Open. Now it's going to upload the document to Google Docs. And as soon as the document is uploaded, it has been converted to Google Doc. Now, in Google Docs, unlike Microsoft Word, it does not have an extension for the file, so you can't download this file in Google Doc format. Instead, if you want to download this file, you'll have to choose an extension like .docx, PDF, or plain text. Instead, to share a Google Doc, you can simply click on File and then Share here, and then click on Share with Others. From here you can set the access to anyone with link, and then copy the link and share it with the person that you want to share the. Another way to convert all your documents from Microsoft Word to Google Doc without losing any formatting is by heading over to drive.google.com and then clicking on Settings, and then from here you can tick this box right here which says Convert Uploads to Google Docs Editor Format, and now all the files that are in Microsoft Word, whenever you upload them to your Google Docs, they will be converted without losing any formatting. And that's about it. That's how you can convert a Microsoft Word file into Google Docs very easily. I hope this video was useful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe.